Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. So today we about to turn this old silk press blowout into a rod set using this good old gangster wrap. Now I've only used this one time on my channel. If you know, you know, but we'll get into that later. Let's go ahead and start this style day because I'm not washing my hair. I'm not. Now I am going to take my time and be intentional with this, so that means I am just going to put the gangster wrap on each section because I don't want my hair to revert. Even though we've been fighting through the elements, I still don't know. It could revert at any moment. I haven't put direct water on it. It's just been real hot, humid, and sweat. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with, I'm gonna be generous with the gangster wrap because my hair is, you know, pretty straight, and I am going to work this through, make sure I am brushing it so that the product is evenly distributed. And I'm going to, this is so different than how I usually do it. So I'm gonna make sure we got it good. This don't even feel comfortable. Okay, hold on. Because I usually start at the ends and work my way up. But today, I want to try something different. Okay, so we're going to wrap this around like this. Not too thrilled about how this root looks, but it is what it is. Oh, this might be a disaster on my part. But we're going to tighten this. Flip that to secure it. Can y'all see this? We're gonna take some more gangster wrap. Make sure we're putting it on these ends. I want to make sure they are flush. Is that what it means? Is that on the rod? Flushed. I'm talking about some flush. Flushed, and then pin that bad boy up like that. So it feels good and tight. I am going to sit underneath my hooded dryer. This is why I'm doing this in the middle of the day, because I can't sleep in these flexi rods. So this is how we gonna do it. This is what we gonna do. I'm gonna be completely 100% transparent with y'all. I don't know what the back of my head is about to look like. I am just going with the vibes, okay? Not trying to be perfect, not expecting the ultimate rod set here. Just, you know, just trying to reinvent this hair at this point. Also, my hair isn't reverting back as quickly as I thought it would, which is, it's not concerning, but it's to be noted. The way I am wrapping my hair, God only knows what these roots are gonna look like. This is crazy work. Oh, I guess I could have used my three-way mirror that I have hanging up. Oh, it's not hanging up anymore. Anyways, we're still at it. But this is taking no time at all. I've sat underneath the dryer for a good 20 minutes. It's a few hours later, so I feel like this is fully dry. It's not like my hair was soaking wet anyways. Let's take these bad boys down. I did not expect them to be this short. That is so funny. Okay, the hold is even more than I thought it was gonna be too, but we'll finish talking about that when I'm done. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I started this by doing my typical, you know, like spiraling down, because usually there's a cast that I'm trying to break. But let's try it with this one so y'all can see. I feel like I can just kind of separate it and not really have to go down the entire, you see that? Like I don't have to go down the curl. Like I can just separate them very gently, but, and then if I need to, I can kind of recurl it. But honestly, I can just kind of gently tuck these apart. And it's not really creating any frizz. You see that? Wow. Okay, gangster rap. I hear you. Okay, so I'm all separated. I had to get rid of that side part. My hair just is at an awkward length for me to like the side part. So, you know, I had to finagle some things, and y'all, I love it. Oh my goodness. So this, compared to using a regular mousse, like this just looks, it just looks better. Like it has more bounce, more shine. I just really like the results. Like the ringlets look so good compared to using the harder holding foams that I usually use. Like I love the way this feels. I am so excited. Now, because y'all are my YouTube family, I can be completely honest and transparent with y'all. It's kind of flaking, which is on me because one, you're supposed to use this on damp hair, and I did not. And I realized that like halfway through it, but I was already in too deep. So I will just, of course, next time I do it will probably be on, like, even if I blow my hair out, I can still dampen my hair because I like this. I like this so much. I am so shocked. Oh, I was not expecting to like this much. And even how easy it was to like move my part, like, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love this. This is great for anybody that is like transitioning or just wants to do something different with their hair. I know rod sets and these type of curls aren't for everyone. I get it. Like I feel so childish right now. Gangster rap, me and you, we may not do good with your typical roller sets, which I might try again because I could just use it to stretch my hair. It's just my coordination. But gangster rap, I see you. You are going to be my foaming wrap lotion for my rod sets. Like all the other foam, I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. 10 out of 10, highly recommend.